How to play emoji game on Instagram. The steps that I am going to show on this video is applicable both on iPhone and Android device. Just you have to connect your device to an stable internet connection. So, playing emoji game on Instagram is quite easy. If you don't see that option, then make sure to update your Instagram app from Play Store or App Store on your device. Go to Play Store and simply search for Instagram on the search bar. Once you search, if you see update button instead of open, then that means you need to update your app. Simply tap on update and it will be updated for after a moment. Then open the application. If you haven't yet signed in on your account, then you need to log in. Once you have done that, tap on chat icon at the top right corner of the screen and then select any chat that you wish to play the emoji game on. Then on this message you need to tap on it and you need to select any emoji that you wish to send. Then tap on send button. Once you have done that, you need to simply tap on the emoji to start the game. Then as you can see that the game has been successfully started and the game will begin with your emoji bouncing around and also pedal at the bottom. You have to simply keep the emoji from the hitting the floor and also you can score some point. So let's tap on play again and you can play the game. As you can see that we have successfully scored points. So after you miss the hits, you will get out or the game will be over and you can play the game again. So with every point you score, the emoji will speed up. So it's an amazing Instagram update that help you to play the Instagram games in your DMs. If it is not available, make sure to update your application. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.